Let's start this video by defining business architecture. What is business architecture? Business architecture refers to an organization's framework. The Business Architecture Working Group of the Object Management Group calls it a blueprint of the enterprise that provides a common understanding of the organization and is used to align strategic objectives and tactical demands. Business architecture transforms strategy into execution. Put it simply, business architecture enables strategic planning and strategic execution, and it is used to align the business's aims and objectives. The gap between business architecture, strategy, and execution. In a recent study, 80% of leaders feel the need to change their strategy in order to grow the organization. 44% have executed changes to these strategies to generate real value and remain competitive. But implementing business architecture that enables these changes is a lot harder than it sounds. In fact, 70% of enterprises fail to integrate business architecture into their programs and initiatives. And 80% of organizations have clearly defined strategies but have difficulty in executing them. What is the problem with business architecture? Here's why business architecture is difficult to implement. Challenges with collaboration. Designing and implementing a business architecture requires collaboration from every member. But it is difficult to get everyone inside the room and sell an idea. Failure to communicate. Enterprises think that stakeholders and key players are not part of designing the business architecture. In a top-down enterprise, communication with every tier is important. All stakeholders and key players need to be aware of the business architecture, otherwise it will meet resistance and lead to failure. Ideal team. Finding people with the appropriate skills is a must. Businesses will perform better with the right skill and the right people in the right place. Technical governance. The alignment of business strategy, objectives, infrastructure, collective tools and processes is vital but not easy. Security and division of data and duty are also high priority. The customer. The final result of the business architecture depends on the customer's wants. After all, if the business architecture does not suit the customer, it will fail to get loyalty and interest. Unfortunately, most business architects don't consider the customer when building their business solutions. When this happens, the enterprise will likely not to succeed. What are the solutions to improve business architecture? The problems above can be solved through creating an environment where everybody is involved in the decision-making processes, considering the customer's wants and needs, making security and data control a high priority, implementing measures to determine the strategy's progress. This way, if a loophole is detected, corrections can be made immediately. Having a clear vision. All stakeholders must understand the business's goals and should be updated with the latest developments, regardless of their hierarchy in the organization. This video contains extracts of a best-selling book, The Business Transformation Playbook, on sale now. To download the free preview of the book, visit here. To find out more about the 6-step agile framework that is used in some of the UK's biggest business transformation programs that specifically addresses the problems above, you can download the preview to the Business Transformation Playbook here. For more information, visit www.hoba.tech/book. Thank you for watching.